through Detroit right now. In the hood over here on Dexter and Elmhurst area. Just wanted to show you something here so you can go down here. Oh, I can't go down this street. Hold on a minute. So let's just take a look here. So you can see opportunity in these areas here. See nice brick homes. Now turn around so you can come back and see the other side, but a lot of vacant land. Let's go down this way. I was just over here in this area looking for looking at some investment properties for a client of mine. I was thinking about buying a 4 package of houses over here. You can see this is one of Detroit's, little bit rougher neighborhoods, I guess you could say.